Good day everyone, we are Group C and we're going to discuss our performance test number 4, Electro-Pneumatics Relay. Question number 1. In step 5 to 12, which lamp indicated neutral position of actuator? Indicator lamp number 2.
Question number 2. In step 5 to 12, what happened to actuator when push button pressed? The actuator will extend.
Question number 3. In step 6 to 12, which lamp indicates extend position of the actuator? So, the lamp that indicates the extend position of the actuator is lamp 1.
Question number 4. In step 13 to 21, which lamp turned on while push button pressed? So in question number 4, no indicator lamp will turn on when all the push button was pressed.
Question 5 in step 13 to 14. If lamp 1 is on, when lamp 2 will turn on? The lamp 2 will turn on when you push and press hold the push button 3.
Question 6. In step 13 to 14, what happened to the lamp 1 when push button 2 was pressed and released? The indicator lamp 1 is on.
Question number 7. In step 26 to 40, if knob is at 12 o'clock position, which lamp was turned on and off when push button is pressed for 6 seconds? Indicator lamp 3 and 1 will turn on, while indicator lamp 2 and 4 will turn off if the button is pressed.
Question number 8. In step 26 to 40, what happened to lamp 3 and 4 7 seconds after releasing push button? In question number 8, 7 seconds after releasing push button, lamp 3 is off and lamp 4 is on.
When lamp 1 energized, question 9, when lamp 1 energized while lamp 3 de-energized. So, the condition will only be met if the relay contacts are switched both on and off delay. And when you press the push button, condition will be met. Lamp 1 and 3 is on. And if we release the push button, condition will not be met. And that is all for our performance task electro-pneumatics relay.